There's two more things, but even when I do the dragon fire, it's a beautiful opportunity. It's a beautiful opportunity to teach kids how wonderful it is to make mistakes. Because some of these kids are going to grow up in a home where you're not allowed to make mistakes. Show me how you drive a car in a straight line. Right? You don't go like this, you're going like this. So technically, mistake correction, mistake correction, mistake correction, mistake correction. How do you ride a bicycle? In a straight line, you're still mistake correction, mistake. Do you get mad at yourself every single time the wheel goes like this? No, because you haven't created an expectation in your mind that it should be different. So you're okay with it. But when you create expectations in your mind that other things you should make mistakes because you should be perfect at that, what's that word I'm saying over and over? Should. That's the word. When you create an expectation for another human being, you should all over it. S-H-O-U-L-D. You should on your kids, you should on your family, you should on yourself. How many of you think you need to lose 1 ounce of body weight? Raise your hand. And then you make yourself wrong for it because you think you should be a different way as opposed to just getting your whole and complete perfect. And if you want to get healthier, you can do that. Does that make sense? Okay. So what's that word I want you to try to eliminate from your vocabulary? There you go. Stop shooting over yourself. Okay, good.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.